11. I have taken 143 points. Getting thus no more need goals to complete. Level 15 level already, and we can level up to 21 or above. I cannot take some tasks because of I am not P2P and F2P, so some have purposes at work. Okay, let's see. My rank 52. Then most highest one. Then best 1655 points completed. I can complete. Thank you.